If we can get 3 games in a row without fall ball, I call that a win, regardless, though. All right.
15?
16, yeah. We don't have to wait for that, though. That's just like the most that can happen. So theoretically, someone could just win on this game mode.
I would love to.
Oh, you want a hug?
No.
Give you a big hug. Big old bear hug.
Let's be civilized.
Oh, come here.
Let's be civilized.
Give me a hug. Oh, I wish I had my emotes, my costumes from the PC version. There's a patty cake one that's just super fun. All right, it's not the corral. Oh, there we go. We're good. As long as I don't get grabbed. Left. All right, there we go. One in the middle. All right. Oh, please get up. There we go. All right, last gauntlet. We got this. See with the jump ropes. Oop. Beautiful, beautiful. 7 people get it out. 7 people got out. 8 people. No, 9 people left.
2 straight.
Because there's 16 total.
Finals.
It's 9 people. This game could give us 5v4 fall ball, which would be atrocious. Nah, just be nice to us. Give us a final. All right. Yes, Hexagon. All right.
Listen to the belt in the tap, man.
Oh no, I can't stall up here. You can. If you go right back, you can stall on all those platforms. Those are all for you.
I mean, this cube has no vertical. 0 vertical.
I need to not be on that dude's butt. It's rough.
I just tainted my own. Oh my god, I messed this. I had a cake. I had a cake done. Now my X button doesn't work. And now I'm tossing my own salad to the grave.
You're still in it. The thing I like about Hexagon is even if you mess up, unlike Fall Mountain, it doesn't mean the end of the world. You can still come back. Oh my gosh. That was such a bad mess up. Oh, this guy's gonna run right towards me. I'm gonna get out of his way. Let him do his thing. Oh my gosh, people. There we go.
Why is my button sticking?
Still be fine. I'm gonna get out of your way.
Out of my way?
Yeah.
How about these people get out of my way? You!
Oh no. I know what that means.
Bobby Axelrod!
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm out. Alright. Alright. So. We made it to the final 2 games in a row. It's likely we'll make it to the final of this last one. We got Jump Showdown, and we got Hexagon. This one's got to be a Fall Mountain. It's got to be.
Last one.
It's got to be. This is it. This is your Fall Mountain.
This is all she wrote. This is all she wrote. All she wrote, line up the boots. He was asked then? Possibly. Who told you?
Oh shit.
That's a dangerous dude.
All right. Up ahead. Oh, I almost flipped right into the goal. Open cool.
All business.
Did you make it?
Believe it.
Perfect.
Smitty Biz sounds better on Bobby's stream than on his, probably.
Wait, what's up?
People are just ragging on my audio.
Oh,
Per
okay.
usual.
Interesting.
Smitty, you suck eggs? Yeah, well, you swallow them. Think about that. Stu could win a Fortnite game if his life counted on it. True story, I won my last, 86 Fortnite games, pal. My life did count on it. Tally ho, amigo.
All right. It could all end here, just because this one's such an inconsistent team game.
That's all right. Just give me one ball on our court, and I'm gonna hold it in there.
That's all we need. We got 3. I'm gonna. Yeah, Yell Team's not doing so hot. I'm gonna try to prevent Yell Team from getting anything. So I'm gonna play their goalie essentially. Oh, we got 4. Nice. Let's take that yellow ball into ours too. Get a 5. All right, Blue's got 3. Yellow's got 1. I'm gonna focus on our red border here. Just 'cause I don't care what happens to Blue at this point. All right, come over here. Push that back in there.
Believe it.
Believe it.
Yellow's got 0. Oh, what tainsicles. Yeah, get back here, pal.
They do have 23 seconds left, though. Could come back, but I doubt it. They're not making that big of a push, too.
Blue now.
So yeah, as long as we can hold on to those 3, we're fine. Yeah, we're good. 5 seconds. We got it. We got 4. Beautiful.
Love it.
Oh, yeah, I am close to 119, aren't I? You want to know a strat for this one?
Yes. Yes, I do.
All right. So as soon as you get a tail, go to. You see how there's kind of like little bridges that go to the mill hammer there. Jump between those bridges. As long as you keep. No. Jump between like the bridges, like up top. So once you get tail, just jump between the bridges and like. This is like the stalling strat. Oh, unless I get my tail ripped. And that doesn't work.
Like in the middle?
Yeah, like okay, so let me show you. See right here? Just do exactly that.